because what a journey. What a journey I made. But I made it here. I'm worried about the time I need to go back again. I need to carry all those. Or I'm thinking to hitchhike, asking people to drop me off somewhere. Okay, anyway, let's make some cocktails. Since I needed to get on the bus 6 in the morning, there was no coffee shops open. So I got the espresso last night from my hotel. It's 1 day old. I'm supposed to get the Martini glass, but this is pretty up though. Look at this. It foams. This is just perfect.
I wake up at 5 in the morning despite the hangover I have from last night, then start my day with a 6.5 hours bus ride to Key West. It could have been only 3 to 4 hours by the rental car, but I decide to save myself and others from troubles after the scary scooter ride. Anyway, here I am to Key West. The Florida Keys are located in the south of Florida, the southernmost part of the continental United States. While you're heading to Key West, you will see Atlantic Ocean to your left and the Gulf of Mexico to your right. From the most southern part of the Key West, Cuba is only 90 miles away. People used to get to these islands by water before, until this railroad you see was completed in around 1910. This is not used nowadays, but this sure was one of the most masterpieces in the world. The bridges from Key Largo to Key West are all 42 and altogether 7 miles long.
Look at me, how silly I look. I'm carrying this big bag, another one with my camera, and I have to walk like 30 minutes to get to the beach. I'm definitely not gonna carry this whole time. Hopefully I can find some storage to put those stuff and I can walk freely. It's so hot, hotter than Miami. I'll find a way, right? Oh, it's hot and my stuff is heavy. It's huge. It's so heavy too. I'm not sure I can carry this after. This is. Oh, help me, help me. So hot. This is really pretty though. So hot, so heavy. I feel pretty miserable. Why am I doing this? What is this for? Oh. Yeah, I needed this. I thought the water was not that clean. I expected more like creek and water, but I guess I should be happy about this much water. These are my saver. I wouldn't be able to actually, you know, like swim. Hey! Hey! Yeah, we're traveling this way.
Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated.
Hi! Simon, the driver.
Very important person.
Very important person.
I try to be.
And Lara is making me comfortable very much.
Ja, noch
Bye
mehr.
bye. Gute Nacht.
Gute Nacht.
Bye. That's crazy. I wasted a lot of time on the road and filming, so I didn't get a chance to take a look around the island. I feel pretty bad and I feel guilty. I could have done many things actually, but there is a reason for me to come back again. So long, Key West. Till then,